Right then, buckle up. Part 2, Action Figurized Frankenstein. Sounds like a bad cartoon or a future lawsuit. We'll test Sora, the best paid tool on offer, and something free with a watermark and a personal vendetta. Before we trudge off to Sora, save this video so you can come back to it and follow me for when your memory inevitably fails. Now, open Sora. If you've got ChatGPT Plus, sign in. If not, your journey ends here. Pro user, call me. We'll grab a pint. Once inside, upload your masterpiece. I'm using that Marilyn Monroe one from the last tutorial. Make sure video is selected. Pick your aspect ratio. I'm going 9:16 because I dream of TikTok fame. Resolution 480p for speed. Also because, and I quote, nothing captures cinematic glory like slightly better than potato quality. Set it to 10 seconds. Generate at least 2 versions because the first one is legally required to be rubbish. It's time to animate this nonsense. Hit that arrow and put the kettle on. What could possibly go wrong? Everything. This one, the hand looks like an arthritic poltergeist flipping you off. No package opened, no joy delivered. And the second version, the hand tries to open the package, then panics and quits. But chin up, we shan't be beaten. Let's unleash a GPT trained specifically for this. More AI to fix broken AI. Genius. Head to ChatGPT. Click Explore GPTs. Then search. Top result, over 200,000 users. Must be good, right? Because mass adoption never leads to compromise. 3.8, which is a number, I suppose. Let's start a chat anyway. Give it your prompt. I'll reuse mine. And what do we get back? A novel. Who asked for AI? Barbie Goes to Vegas. I just wanted to open a toy. Not Greenlight Love Island, the musical. Because we've come this far, copy the new prompt. Go back to Sora. Click Edit Prompt, paste it in, and send it off. Then cross your fingers. Not that it'll help. Sora fears no god and understands no prompt. Result? Still unusable. Possibly NOS 4. To make sure it wasn't just me or my crumbling sense of reality, I tried another GPT. This one had fewer delusions of cinematic greatness. Blah blah. Plastic pops, action figure removed. Result? Still rubbish. A cinematic turd in 480p wrapping. Conclusion? Sora's marvelous at generating images. As for video, it's a glorious flaming mess of confusion and despair, like using a toaster to make a niçoise salad. This is already too much effort for a plastic doll, but we're teetering on the edge, and I respect a dramatic finish. So head over to part 3, where I throw the same prompt at the best image to video tool money can panic buy and a free one for those living on hope.